I had a problem with my manual wheelchair footplate and we tried everything to fix it, but it wasn't staying in place, so we had to ring the repair people to come out to either put a new bolt in or work out what was going on. When he arrived and took a look at my chair, he said the bolt hasn't snapped, which we were quite shocked about, but you've made the hole that the bolt goes into with the amount of force you've put through the footplate, which isn't your fault. You made it oval so the bolt was just wiggling in the hole. It wasn't holding anything. It's not gonna be an easy job though. I will have to take it away and put you 2 new sides on as you broke the side. He said I will go and raise it as a job, so you will get a phone call telling you when we are coming to fix it. Then after a while we rang and said, where are you up to with the chair? They said, oh, there's no job with your chair. The side hadn't even been ordered. Finally it was ordered and then he came to collect the chair in the morning and I had it back same day. It is all good as new now.